All right, so here we have our case, this nice big case. So hopefully there's a lot of good stuff in here. So you've got the main stuff that the Fly More combo includes. Here's the little motion controller thing, 3 batteries, charging case, and the new goggles. And here is the Avata 2 itself. So let's get the wraps off of all of these. Pretty neat little remote. Don't know how much I'll use this. That's why I got my little FPV controller, because it seems to me like that'll be a lot more useful. I'm used to flying regular camera drones, and I also want to learn to fly manual. Probably definitely going to be using this more, but I definitely also want to try this out because it seems like it's a pretty cool way to control the drone. Here is a strap. I don't know what this is a strap for, but it's a strap. And here are the batteries. Nice charging case. Nice little clip-in batteries, looks good. And then getting to what you probably actually want to see. So here are our goggles. These look quite nice. They have little things on here, little covers that cover the eye lenses. So we'll get these taken off. Let's put these goggles on. I can see nothing, so I guess we're not really going to see much until we get these charged up and powered on and hook them up to the drone or the simulator or whatever. And then finally, what we've been waiting for, the DJI Avata 2. Ah, beautiful drone. Got a little plastic on the lens here. We'll get rid of that. Nice little 1-axis gimbal on here. So that is what the basic Fly More kit includes. Let's see what else is here in the package. We have, what are these? Here is a USB OTG cable to connect it to your phone. I think to connect the goggles to your phone so that you can show someone else the video feed from the goggles or fly in the sim or whatever. And then here are some little different corrective lenses for the goggles if you have prescription glasses or something. And then here's something. This is use the additional forehead pad if the lenses are too close to your eyes. Okay, so this is a forehead pad. You tape this to your forehead here like this. And then when you put this on, it'll be further away. Or maybe you tape it to the goggles. And then let's see what else we have here. We have a prop, another prop. We have all in all 4 props. So if you somehow manage to break the props, even though they're inside these little cages, you get 4 props with the Fly More combo. And then we have a little Allen wrench for whatever you need to adjust. I'm not sure. I guess we're taking the drone apart if you break it. This is a USB-C cable. As though I don't have any 6-inch USB-C cables around already. And then here we have the instructions or something like that. Let's see what's in here. DJI. Oh, that's cool. They give you some cute little DJI decals. And here is another DJI decal. Fly to the future. An SD card one, another DJI one. And here's even yet another DJI one. Some cool little decals if you want to stick them on stuff. And then here we have the quick start guide. We'll read this if we can't figure it out. And then here are some safety guidelines. Let's see what they say. Consult a doctor before using this product if you have any serious medical conditions such as a heart ailment, conditions that affect your ability to safely perform physical activities, psychiatric conditions such as anxiety disorders or post-traumatic stress disorder, or if you are pregnant or elderly. So apparently this drone is so stressful to fly that if you have any conditions, it might cause problems. Stop using the product if you experience any motion sickness symptoms. Take regular breaks. Oh man. Anyway, and here is a user guide for your charging hub. Let's see, is there anything else hiding in here? I feel like there should be something else in here for like $1,200. Guess not. Now, one thing that DJI didn't include in the Fly More combo that I think is kind of a problematic omission So they don't include a charger. It does all charge by USB-C, but you need pretty high power, high wattage charger. Your regular USB-C charger isn't going to work. You're going to need a more high powered one. So it's unfortunate that they didn't include one with it, but I've got this one. It's an Anker 100-watt charger. It costs like 37 bucks on Amazon, but it seems like they always have it on sale for 27. And I've used this charger with my Air 3 other DJI drones for quite a while, and it works great. So if you're looking for a charger to charge your Avata 2 batteries, I'll leave a link to this one down in the description, as well as to one that has multiple ports on it so that you can charge both your drone batteries and remote and goggles all at the same time. And one last thing to unbox is the FPV Remote Controller. This should let me fly with a little bit more normal controls than this weird little controller. So there's the controller. You get a little guide on how to use it, and you also get another Allen wrench so that you can take the back off and adjust the stick tension for flying in manual mode. And we've got our sticks right in here, taped in. Get rid of that tape. Got our sticks. These things are hard to get out of here. Used to the ones on the remote, the Air 3 remote, that come out real easy. There we go. Here's our remote. Manual, sport, normal switch, custom thing over here, photo video button here, pause button here, gimbal dial, start stop motors or recording, whatever that is. Got our joysticks here, nice good range of motion on them. So that's what's in the Avata 2. I am super excited to get these batteries all charged up and get out and fly this drone. I've never flown FPV before, just regular camera drones like the Air 3 and Mini series. So super excited to get out and try it both with this little motion controller thing and with the more traditional remote. And I'm going to upload a separate video on the first flight with this drone, so to check it out you can click right here. And make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and I'll also be putting up a whole bunch of videos on how to get cinematic shots with this drone. And anyway, I'll see you next video, guys. I don't know what else to say. Go watch my free drone filmmaking training. I've got a course, lots. Oh, a free lot. There's a free lot that you can go get that will work great with this too.